in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Oh my God, I'm so tired. But I just got to work. I was late because I missed the bus. Oh, I can make this bus. Actually, notice I can't make that bus. Okay, I tried to make the other one. And I was trying to make that one, but I still didn't make it. I was rushing and it didn't. I'll be trying. I swear to God, I'll be trying. It's just that you hear what he says, when you miss something, it's for protection. Don't be mad about it. So I'm late. I was late for a reason. It's not like purposely. I really be trying to leave out on time and it just don't work. Whatever. Yeah, so I got here when my supervisor was here. I'm in an apartment building thing. So they just need a guard because they had a crackhead in one of these apartments for 4 days and they renovating and stuff. You see the renovation back there. So they said they need somebody here. So I'm gonna be here tomorrow too. 8 to 4. He's like, this is the easiest money you're gonna make. And he said the Amazon is gonna come in. I'm gonna do nothing, just send it back there, which the Amazon thing is back there. So just send it back there and he do what he gotta do. But other than that, I don't do nothing. He like put on a CV, put on a shirt, I don't know. I get up at 4. So somebody gonna be there release, man. I'm gonna be here tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna try my best to be here early for real. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go home, probably take a nap. Then get up and go to the gym and then shower again. And I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and try to make that 7:10 bus. Cause I walked to the bus station, to the train station from my house. It was a good 15-minute walk. Yeah, I walked there because I know I told them I was gonna be late. So, but they say what time? I was at 10. But when I got off at 42nd, I ran downstairs to get the 2 train because that's the express one. It was, when you go downstairs, I missed the train. So I'm like, oh damn. The next one said was 9 minutes. I'm like, damn. And mind you, I was 2 stops away. It came up at 96th Street, so it's 2 stops from 42nd on the 2 train. On the 1 train is like 5 stops, and I'm like, oh, yeah, well, I'm not taking that train. So, and it was crazy. I didn't take the 1 train, but when I got on the 2 train, and I got off at 96, the one train that left before the 2 train, it was right there as soon as I came off. I'm like, wow, I got here at the same time. See, you be trying to, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go edit a video, actually. I'm gonna edit my video. If I don't post it today, I'm gonna try to post it tomorrow. Yeah, I can post it tomorrow because I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I'm not doing the same thing. So, anybody gonna bother me, I have all the time in the world to edit my video. And I told my papa to call me when he's gonna open his gifts because I bought him like 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many gifts it was. So, probably 6 or 7. But just little stuff that he needed. He don't really need much because I shop for my son all 3 years, so he good. Yeah, like I said, yeah. You gotta do that. So when Christmas time comes, you don't gotta buy too much. You don't need that much. You good. All right. Huh?
I say iPhone went too.
Oh, look at it. Turn it around. What is it? What is it? Yay, you go to Friday house. Let me see it. Let me see it. Put it up. Turn it around. Papa, let me see it properly. Turn it around. Oh, pull the plastic off. Take the plastic off. It's a frame I bought him when we went to the Friday house. I framed it for him. Oh, y'all, I did my nails. I did them. When I was in the Christmas spirit, I had bought some stuff from that was like 2-3 weeks ago. I had bought some stuff from Temu. I'm like, let me buy some nails. It's cute, right? I like them. So cute. Turn around, Papa. Yeah, open it. It's too much. like my papa. He's so funny. He loved the frame. I'm glad I did that. I know I need to do that for him so he can have it. That's something I gotta have. The fact that he went to the Friday house because he loved all those movies, all three of them. That's what he was watching just now when I called him. So next Friday, oh, was it Friday the next one of them? But he kept watching those like since I've been talking to him since the week. Like he just loved Friday. You know what's crazy? You know what video I know what movie he never watched is Home Alone. I don't think he might ever watch Home Alone. That's bad. Like how come I don't remember him watching it when he was younger. I don't remember, I swear. Maybe he did, I don't know, but I don't think, because me and father talking about it, I'm like, how come we didn't let him watch Home Alone? Like what? That's a movie that he needs to watch. See, if I was to have him, that would have been a movie night we had. Home Alone. For sure. Because what? Let me see. Hold it on, let me see. Yes, open it. Oh, they see come with a paddle and 2 balls that I show on the box. It's like a tennis thing. So smart. Come with a paddle, yeah. Yeah. 2 balls, nice. There's more in the box. Open the box. Open the box. There's more stuff in the box. Oh, there you go. Okay. Hold it up. It's a deodorant. Nice. We're off work. My glasses on because I feel like it. What can stop me? I'm going home. I'm gonna go home and take a nap. I'm not really hungry because I ate my food. So I'm not really hungry right now. So we're gonna go home and take a nap because I do need a nap. And wake up later and I don't know. I'll like a 2-hour nap though because I'm not gonna, I should go to the gym too. So yeah, wake up late and go to the gym. Do the same thing I do last night. Come back, take a shower, and go to bed. Just like so I won't be late tomorrow. I'm not gonna be late today. But that was a cool little, cool little, yeah. What am I gonna look for my friend? I'm already going on today. I'm gonna go look for him. You're not really far from me, like 30 minutes. No, too cold. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Ooh, this is funny. Okay, I gotta, hold on. I have to tighten it up. Alright. Yo. Morning, y'all. Today's Friday morning. This guy don't know his Christmas tree. White people don't play. As soon as Christmas is over, take it down. It looks like it's a real tree too, but he can't even keep it for next year because it's gonna be It's gonna be dried up and discolored and everything. So he can't even keep it for next year. That's a big tree though. Damn, you see that? See you got how you waste money? You gotta spend for one day. It's freezing today. Oh my god, it's cold. You got that other door open. You don't have to close that door. It's freezing, bro. It's so cold today. Yesterday wasn't that cold, but today it's freezing. I'm in a donut with coffee. Donut dabble from Walmart. And I have oatmeal with bananas and strawberries for my lunch and pineapple. It's freezing. It's 21 degrees. I forgot that I had eggnog. Oh, this morning I opened the fridge. I was like, oh crap, my eggnog. I told you, I was just not in the Christmas spirit yesterday, bro. Like, I don't feel bad about not having a tree. I don't feel left out or nothing. I'm good. I never had a tree anyways. On my own, I never bought a Christmas tree. Never. I just bought my son gifts. I never buy a Christmas tree. His father had a Christmas tree, but I never bought one. So that's why I bought his gifts over there to put under the tree. Because like when I moved in, honestly, I don't know. Wasn't thinking about my first Christmas. I don't know. I wasn't thinking about my first Christmas in the apartment or nothing. This feeling just never came to me. So yeah, even though a couple of weeks ago I was on team when I was buying some stuff, and I'm like at that time I was like, you could say 1%, not even 1%. Like, oh, it's Christmas, it's December, in December, Christmas or whatever. But I still didn't get to buy. Like I didn't buy everything. I bought mats. And I bought 2 pillowcases, 2 green pillowcases from Shein. And then I was on TikTok and I see how people was decorating their cupboards. I was like, oh, that's cute. I'm like, should I do that? But I'm like, I don't want to be like everybody else, but it's cute. It looked cute. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not feeling it. Maybe next year I'll be better. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. My mom not here. My grandmother not here. My grandmother passed away last year. It's like, ugh. And I spent the last Christmas with her. No. Last Christmas was last year, my bad. I mean, the following Christmas, I was down there in Jamaica with her, so. I can't. It's too much. Christmas, the holiday season is really be a lot for people who have family members. Some, I should say, family members that passed away. The people that actually love the family member that passed away, yeah. People that actually love them, yeah. I'm not saying because other people that celebrate it don't love them. I'm just saying some people that family members that passed away, they don't care that they're not here. They don't care that they're not here. Anyways, yeah, they don't care. You think they care? They don't. I just been moody. Ever since my mom passed, I haven't been in this Christmas spirit. But I was forcing myself for my son because I'm like, I have a son. Like I just want him to feel the vibes and everything. That's why I took it to Times Square last year. Not Times Square. Oh, I just remember. I think I'm gonna go to Times Square today and see the 2026 thing because I didn't do it last year. I forgot to do it last year, so I'm gonna go today. Because I don't work until, do I work Monday? I don't check my schedule on the app. I do Monday because I'm gonna be on that side Monday, so it's better. I could just do it over there Monday instead of get off the train and come back on the train again. But yeah, I didn't bring the Times Square. I brought him to Bryant Park, and I brought him we went on Fifth Avenue, walking down whole Fifth Avenue. But that was a good exercise. That was a long walk. I went to Rockefeller Center too. Yeah, that was nice. So I don't care to do none of that stuff this year again because it's the same thing. The only thing we didn't see was a Christmas show. They didn't have the Christmas light show last year for some reason. Yeah, because I remember I was watching Aaliyah J channel and she was complaining about too. She was like, they went there and it wasn't showing. So hopefully this year if she goes, it's showing, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll go there one day after work. I don't know. I mean, it's on my channel already, so I don't need to. It's the same thing. I don't need to go do it again. But that's too much. And that's a long walk down Fifth Avenue. It's too much walking. I can't bother. Like I said, there's a reason you could do this shit one time and one time only. You don't need to do more than one time. And I see the Louis Vuitton things. That's cute though. But the thing when I went down there, it wasn't light up. I think it was regular setting. It wasn't light. There's no light on there. Because I think I saw it on Aaliyah J. Was it Aaliyah J I saw it that did it? Somebody posted it. No, it was one of my friends that posted it on WhatsApp. And I think it would light up when he posted it. I was like, oh, that's cool. I'm like, I work right by there. So I could go there. Well, I didn't go there after work. I just went there. I just took my son there for, I think it was Christmas Day we went, right? It was after Christmas, one of them. Maybe it was after Christmas. Yeah, I think it was the next day. And then we went to, we placed name, Jamaican spot. I forgot the name of it. Yeah, the food was good though. The food was really good. Yo, I don't know if I can see it. The flurry is just snowing. It's 4:53 or something. Got off work. I went to go get some more strawberries because it was still 13 minutes. I'm not waiting 13 minutes. I'm gonna walk. By the time I walk up there, they're gonna come. That's too much. But Guess I'm at the market. I'm about to go inside and cook out. Hungry. 12 minutes. That's too much. Cold. So cold. Hungry. I'm going to cook. Starving. Morning, y'all. So it's Sunday. Oh, I have to run the bus. I'm out of bed. Oh, Lord. Putting something on the clothes today because the other day it was freezing, especially in the place. It's cold. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just wearing on the clothes. Yeah.
Next stop.
Personas que sobreviven. Customer service centers. Find a station near you at NTA.
Supposed to freaking take. Just came off the train. Literally got 1 minute to walk to the place. I'm so glad I wear some underclothes today because I don't know why I'm never wear underclothes since the start of this cold weather. Like a couple days ago, it was freezing, but I'm prepared today. I'm fine. But yeah, sooner or later, yeah. Just got off the train. It's like 4 minutes to 5 and it's dark. I'm so hungry. I'm tired and hungry. I look like an Eskimo. I don't play with germs, so I'm not trying to get sick. So I'm all covered up. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. When I go in, I'm gonna give y'all a Shein haul because I think I'm gonna wear that jacket tomorrow, the black jacket. No, at least this one needs to be washed. But I still want to open the package just to see how the other jacket fit. Even if I don't wear it tomorrow, I want to see how it fit. I did get a large, so you better fit me. Cause I ain't said nothing back. I'm not saying nothing back. I could come here. Oh, I have an appointment. Is it next week? January 6th. Oh, I need to take that day off. I'm taking that day off from work. That's gonna be a sick day for me. Heyday. I'm gonna start doing that too. I'm gonna see when I get inside. So I got home like 2 hours ago, right? And I am not cooking the rice and peas today. I put some rice. This is jasmine rice with some sazon and spinach. That's what we're eating right now. Literally just finished cooking it. Oh, I love the smell of sazon rice. It smells so good. And then I had it a little bit too high, but a little bit too high. Ciao. Oh well, they're eating. I'm about to eat this with some avocado. Jasmine rice I used just now. It's really good. Don't try to eat the same rice all the time. Same white rice, same rice and peas, all that stuff. Change up the rice once in a while. I do turmeric rice. I do this rice. I always try to make vegetable rice and put some type of vegetable in the rice just because I don't want to be just eating rice alone. I like different flavors of rice, so I always switching it up. Alright, this is done though. I'm gonna put my rice. I had chlorophyll water with lemon because I know I'm about to bust up this food. And I'm like, you know what? Let me drink some lemon water first because I'm hungry. I had oatmeal this morning. I had the last donut. I had oatmeal. I had a smoothie, and that was it. I'm trying to finish up this vlog, so I'm gonna have to go to the gym tomorrow when I come from work. I'm not working New Year's. I don't care. They better not ask me because I'm not working New Year's. I'm Eve. I work New Year's, but I'm not working New Year's Eve. Like to go into the New Year, I'm not. I'm about to cut 2 scoops of this rice because that's how hungry I am. Alright, so we're gonna scoop it like this. That's how I scoop it. Oh. Ooh, baby. We're gonna scoop it down. I need to clean this stove. This stove want to clean so bad. Put it a little more. See that? Cup it just like that. A lot of rice. Well, I'm hungry. I don't care. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow. So this one not even full. And this flavor of rice does have a different taste. Oh my god, especially with chicken, it tastes so freaking good. Y'all should try it. Sazan. Try it. Y'all gonna thank me later. Here is dinner. Hey y'all. Came up the train. Do a lot of work and I'm in Times Square. I wanna go see the 2026 sign. That's why I came up. Because I knew I was gonna go straight home. And I'm supposed to buy my other post, but I ain't going up. I don't go look for some of my coworkers. Like the people that actually work at the college. But I'm just like whatever. Line takes forever. I mean the lights. I said line. Look at it should be up right now, right? It should be up right now. I hope it is, because if I go down there and it's not there, I'm gonna be back. Hold on. Rick's Cafe. It's crazy out here. Again, I guess what's this for? I don't even know what that's for, but voted the best beef bar. Period. So I came to the guy over here and asked him where the 2026 sign at. I didn't see the guy. Somewhere back here. So I don't want to put up a camera. But I'm like, where's the sign? He's like, the sign. I'm like, 2026 sign. And he's like, up there. I'm like, up there. I'm looking. I'm like, oh shit. It's all the way up there. When I came over there, I was wondering why everybody looking up. I don't know why I kept looking like up there or what they looking at. But I didn't even see the freaking sign. I'm like, I thought it was gonna be on the foreground. He's like, no. He laughed and I'm like, oh wow. That's the first. It's so far though. Like I'm supposed to see that. I can't even see it. I think people's up there. How do we reach up there? That's why everybody's right here and recording the whole time. I'm like, what are you looking at? That's crazy. Look how far they put the sign. Why is it all the way? Wait. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like a 4 for a minute. I thought it was a 4. See people up there? There you go. Who told them to do that? That's why. Why would you have it all the way up there? To put it on the foreground so people could see it and take pictures. That guy over there asked this one right here. I'm not gonna lie, I feel the way I came with the train just to see the sign all the way up there. You think it's gonna be on the foreground? They just now putting the ball up, but it wasn't there just now when I recorded. It was not there, right? I know I'm not bugging. My bad. So passing by. Everybody, people out here vlogging and taking pictures. Because I swear, when I came here, I came on this side. I was standing right there, and I'm like, I see all them all the way. You see them over there, right there. They kept looking up and taking pictures. I'm like, what are you taking pictures of? That's okay. Oh, they go up there like that. You see that thing right here? Where is it? This thing right here moving right here? That's how they got up there. Okay. Well. That's it. I'm out. It's cold as hell. It's too cold. My hand is freezing. So go back on the train. I'm in the house. Listen. I stopped at the market, the Korean market I went to the other day. Look what I found. This is spring mix with herbs for $1, okay? And they're not spoiled or nothing. You can see, look at it. They're not spoiled. I bought 2 because why not? I really wanted to pick up all of them, but I had no space. Like, I'm gonna go in on salads now. Like, what? Y'all see the price, right? Y'all seen it? It's showing? It's showing, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is, oh, I did not see it says best if used by December 25. So it's expired. No wonder it's $1. But ain't nothing wrong with it. I don't see nothing wrong with it. What's wrong with it? It look good to me. I'm eating it. I don't care. This is greens. You ain't gonna die from this, please. I'm eating it. But yeah, that's what I got. And I got the Dollar Tree. I bought a shower, the liner, I guess. Or I think you can use this as a shower curtain to like just throw it up there. But the more yeah, whatever. What else I got? Oh, I got a Papa Kimani. Look what I found for my papa. I'm gonna bake this for him because he loves him some Oreos. So this is cheesecake mix. I need to get some ingredients. No, it's cheesecake mix. So like when I bake it, it's gonna look like the cheesecake like this. And if I just gotta get some Oreo and put it on top of it, I'm gonna do this my papa and bring it to him. Yeah. Bought milk as always. I don't know what the Dollar Tree I gotta pick up one each. Yeah, and I bought paper towel. I always want a tissue, but they don't got no tissue. But yeah, what time is it? It's like 5:40 or 5:50 or something. Oh yeah, I bought 2 of these. Yeah, these are so good. I was eating one on the road. So I was a little hungry. So this one I open and the other one. Because they don't have my guacamole chips. Guacamole. 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 They don't have my guacamole chips. What? Girl, what? Anyway, so on this side, what I have for lunch. Oats. So all I had was there drinking was water. I'm like, let me go use the bathroom before I leave. And I came up at Times Square. So I come back for Times Square. That's what I don't know. I don't like that they. Hold on. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't like that they put the. I swear, I know, like I said, 1 year, I forgot what year I went, but 2020, I don't know, it was 2022, 2021, it wasn't 2021, it was 2021 or 2022, I think it might be, it was 2021, I don't remember. I went up there and the thing was on the floor, the sign was on the floor. Now it's all, they got it all the way to the top, with the and now earlier when I was recording for TikTok, they had the ball, they showed the ball that's gonna drop on the pole thing. So I don't know, I ain't going out there. 1 year I did want to go out there though, like I don't know, I just felt the mood to go out there, but then when I realized it's gonna be you're gonna be standing there for hours, like, cause you gotta be out there early to get like a front row view or something. You're gonna be sitting out, but New Yorkers don't do that. There's only people from out of town do that. I'm gonna drink some tea, some meringue. I'm gonna eat a salad because I got chicken left. This is gonna be my tea for tonight because I drink my chamomile. I keep drinking this tea. This tea is so good. I keep drinking this tea, so I'm not even gonna drink this one tonight. I'm gonna drink this one because I don't work tomorrow. So this is a detox, baby. Yeah. Let me clean the dishes up. I got dishes in the sink. Oh my god. I'm tired. I'm always gonna finish this video and post it. Yeah, so one of the milks, one of them, this is for my oatmeal and for the smoothie. I use the oatmeal for the smoothie and almond for the oatmeal. Oatmeal, yeah. Today's the 29th and I'm just like, why did they still have them salads out? I just been trying to get rid of them. But like I said, like you see how they look. There's nothing wrong with them, so. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat a salad today. My chicken is still here. And this, my chicken is good. I left it right here. I'm gonna drink some moringa tea. I'm gonna eat a salad. That is some rice. I'm gonna drink the tea before I eat, so. Good morning. Don't mind the backwards bonnet. But today's December 30th. Today's December 30th. They asked me to work. They want me to go to work at Coney Island. Who gonna be in Brooklyn so late? 4 to 12. Oh no. Even when I was over there, I never wanted to work so late in Coney Island. Why would I go to Coney Island to work so late? Anyways, I said I'm not available. And I'm not available tomorrow either, so don't ask me. I'm going out tomorrow. Michelle invited me to Rib House. So I'm gonna go, because I didn't get to go to her friend's. And I don't want to be in a house New Year's Eve. Why would I be in a house? I mean, I can if I wanted to. But last year, I went to church. And God's been doing good for my life ever since. I mean, it was good to start the New Year's again in church. I don't know no church over here. Like, I know one. I be passing the church down there, but I never go. I said I was going to go there. But I was going to go. So, you know what? I'm going to start going to 2026. I'm going to start going to my friend Sheena church. I'm going to start going to my friend church. She invited me to church. But I'm like, damn, it's far. But if I could go to a concert in Jersey, I could go to a church. I might have to be disciplined to get up and go to, like, sometimes you got to take accountability. Like, sometimes you got to, like, girl, priorities. So, sometimes you got to, like I said, take accountability and, like, check yourself. Because if I could go to a concert in Jersey, I could go to a church an hour away. Whatever. So I'm gonna start going to church in 2026. I'm gonna try my best to go every Sunday. I'm gonna try my best. Because honestly, the only way I wouldn't go is because sometimes I go see Kimani on Saturdays and I come back and it drains my whole body. Like, to travel the way I go to PA, it drains your whole body. It drains it, bro. It drains it. But if God said that I'm trying my best to go to church even when I'm tired, I feel like He'll bless me more. So I'm gonna try my best to do that. Because next year, because 2026, I'm trying to get even more closer and closer to God. Certain things I'm not going to indulge in. Like, I feel like I'm going to complete. I don't drink like that anyways. But just because it's New Year, I'm going to take a little sip. Probably just take a little champagne drink. That's it. But, like, a hard liquor, I'm not doing none of that stuff. And, like I said, I don't drink like that. The last time I drank some wine was, like, a couple months ago when my friend came over. He brought me some Taylor port, but other than that, I feel like I'm gonna stop drinking wine. No, not wine. I feel like I need wine. I probably don't need it, but I want to have it. Like, hardcore liquor though, done with that. I'm done with hardcore liquor. Yeah, I can have that. I don't want it. But yeah, I just saw this commercial with Gab. I posted on my Instagram like probably last week. Was it last week? I think so. With Gabrielle Union and Kristen Dunst. It's so like nostalgic. That's how you say the word? That's how you say the word? Ooh, the sun is out. Yeah, it's so that word, nostalgic. I don't know if I said it right, but yeah, I think that's the word. Yeah, because it's 2000, and the ad is called Try It On, and the movie's called Bring It On. It was so funny because it was like trying to find dress for, I guess, for New Year's dress. I forgot what the dress was for, but they're trying to find a dress. I think for a New Year's party, yeah. And then Kristen Dunst was like this, and look at her in Gabrielle uniform. But if you know the movie, she tried to copy her move. Remember? Yeah. So that's the concept of the ad. And then I think the producer or somebody, they dropped the spirit sticks, and it was like, it was funny. It was like, I went on YouTube. I saw it on one of the page. I forgot who page it was. And then I'll click on my YouTube. I see it's like the first ad right there. I'm like, oh, let me watch it. So it was cool. I think it's still there. And yeah, so yeah, the lady dropped the spirit stick. Oh, see the hair that I had. And the lady dropped the spirit stick, and they was like, make it green or make it red, something like that. I remember. But it was cool to watch. They both look good for their age, because sometimes white people don't age good. But Kristen Dunst looked really good for her age. Like, she looks so young still. How old is she right now? Let me go check. Hold on.
Naked Green.
Oh.
Show me your reality vibe. Just ask Google.
So.
Who was the green one for again? Make her.
Hey, make it. One of them say each different colors. So like, make it red, make it green, whatever. So, oh yeah. So I know I forgot they wear makeup in eyes. So, but she still look good. Like, she don't age that bad compared to how white people really be aging, because it's like they don't take care of their skin they self by just indulging drinking whatever the case was. But she's 43. Kristen Dunst is 43. I think Gabrielle Union is what, 50 something for her age. Gabrielle looks so good for her age. She looks like she's in her 30s. Right? Gabrielle Union, even probably in her mid 20s. She looks so young for her age. She aged so good. Let me go see how old she is. Hold on. Like, the movie is really 25, like literally exactly 25 years ago. Came out in 2000. Yeah, Gabrielle Union is 53 years old. But you know what I don't like? Like, when you make, I feel like when you do certain movies, I have to want to close my face. When you do certain movies, it don't, what's the word? It don't give you the same feeling as the first one, right? Yeah, because you copying the original. Like, yeah. But the thing is, some movies do though. Some movies actually could work out. Like for sure, Friday. All 3 Fridays is a hit. All of them. That's why Kimani can be watching it back to back, like non-stop. He still to this day be playing it. That's one movie you could watch till this day. All 3 of them. And it's still like a good vibe. But Rush Hour though, I'm not gonna lie. Rush Hour, I started watching Rush Hour 2. I didn't care for 3 or 4. 1 and 2. That's it. Because it's never the same. It's always, and then Home Alone 2. Oh, alright. So Home Alone, is it 2 or 3? With the other boy, not Macaulay. What's his name? I can't even say his name properly. Macaulay. What's that guy name? I can't pronounce his name. I can't pronounce his name. Macaulay Culkin. Yeah, the other little boy after him. I think it was the second one, right? Or it was the third one. No, I think it was the third one. Because one of them was Home Alone, and then Home Alone Lost in New York. I think that's when. Damn, I don't remember. All right, so the first one is when they left him home, right? And the second one is when he got lost in New York. And then I think the third one is when they had the other little boy. He's so cute, but I like his part. I like his movie. The fourth one, I didn't even watch the fourth one, because I didn't care to watch the fourth one. But the third one, I love the third one too, because that little boy, he's just as mischievous as Macaulay Culkin. So it was. I know I'm saying this guy name wrong. Whatever, leave me alone. I'm Caribbean. I don't know how to pronounce his name properly. What's his name? Macaulay. Oh my god, forget it. Anyways, not me butchering his man's name. But yeah, the Home Alone 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Don't give a 4. But so like I said, certain movies, now like Bring It On now. I tried to Bring It On with Solange in there. I think I did watch that one. It's okay. I guess he's alright. Was Christina Miliani one of them too, or was he the same one? I don't remember. But it's what I'm saying. I never cared to really watch the second movie after the original because it's never better than the original. You copy all you want. It's never. I don't know why people just be trying so hard to copy. Like I feel like sometimes some movies you don't need to make over. Just leave it alone. Leave it where it's at. Leave it right there. But yeah, that's my banter for the morning. Anyways, I'm gonna make some tea. I'm gonna edit the video. I posted the video last night. I'm trying to edit the other part today and post it today because I'm not playing. I'm really not playing. I'm gonna try to post this video today. I put it on my calculator already. It says 88 minutes, so that's 1 hour and 28 minutes. I'm gonna cut it down all the way down. Try my best to cut it all the way down, and then I'm gonna start on October 1 to post tomorrow because I'm not trying to go in 2023. 2026. I'm not trying to go 2026 with old videos like 3-4 months ago. No, it's good to have, like I said, it's good to have November, December right there because they back to back. It's not bad, but October, September, nah, they gotta go because I'm trying to be a normal vlogger. I keep repeating that, but I mean it. But yeah, all right. So later. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.